Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing for y'all a new skincare product by L'Oreal Paris, and it is their Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now I have been looking for an effective and affordable hyaluronic acid serum for the longest time. So I'm so happy that I finally got my hands on this because this is raved by so many beauty bloggers out there, and I was really excited to try this out, and it's finally available in India as well. As we all know that hyaluronic acid is like a must-have ingredient in your skincare routine. It adds a ton of hydration to your skin, but at the same time it feels really lightweight. So essentially, hyaluronic acid is a molecule which is present in your skin, but what happens is as you age, the hyaluronic acid levels also deplete, which is why as you age your skin also starts feeling more dehydrated and just dry in general, which is why you need to incorporate a hyaluronic acid serum in your routine so that it replenishes that moisture and hydration which your skin needs. So I personally have been testing out this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum in my skincare routine for the past 2 weeks, I would say. So I thought that I should sit down and film like an in-depth review video for you guys, and that's what I'm going to do today. So let's just get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, let's get started. Now when it comes to hyaluronic acid serums, the most important thing for me is the texture and the consistency of it, because I've tried so many serums in the past and either they feel too sticky or they are just too watery and I don't feel like they're giving me the right amount of hydration. But the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum has a great consistency. I would say it's not too sticky or heavy on the skin. So I'm just going to show you the consistency of this serum. It comes with a dropper and you literally need like 2 to 3 drops of this, and this is what it looks like. And as you can tell that it instantly just hydrates the skin and it does not feel sticky or heavy at all. It's a very lightweight consistency. So the serum has a clear glass bottle, which is going to make it very easy to identify if you're going to run out of the product or not, and it has a very premium feel to it as well. It also comes with a dropper, so it's very convenient to use. So I just wanted to show you guys the demonstration of using this serum on my skin in natural light, so y'all can see exactly how my skin looks like. So there is literally no makeup on my face right now. I'm just going to take some of this on my hand and apply it on my face, and as you can tell that it has such a lightweight consistency. It just instantly gets absorbed into the skin, so it's not gonna feel heavy or sticky whatsoever. And as you can tell, it has instantly made my skin so plump and radiant, which is why I really love using this. And that's the reason dermatologists also rave about this ingredient so much, because you're going to instantly see your skin really hydrated and just really plump overall. Which is why you should incorporate hyaluronic acid as an ingredient in your skincare routine, and particularly this one, because this contains 1.5% of hyaluronic acid, which is the highest concentration, and you get this in like the purest form. It's not diluted whatsoever, so you're going to see the results of this ingredient on your skin. Another great thing about this serum, which I personally appreciate, is the fact that it does not have any sort of fragrance or alcohol in it, and that's such a plus point for me, because I feel like these two ingredients are completely unnecessary in your skincare products. They can just irritate your skin and they're not needed, and the fact that this does not have any sort of fragrance in it is just so good, and literally anybody could use it. Even if you are someone who has sensitive skin, you can also opt for this because it's not going to irritate your skin whatsoever. And I feel like this serum is just such a versatile product, so no matter what your skin type, you can definitely incorporate this in your routine. So if you are someone who has oily skin and you're scared to use any sort of moisturizer or something that's going to be too heavy on your skin because you don't want your skin to get excessively oily, what you can do is use this serum by itself, because it's going to give you that hydration that you need, and it's still going to feel very lightweight and non-sticky. Then if you are someone who has combination skin, what you can do is go go in with this serum first and then top it off with maybe like a water based or a gel based moisturizer. And lastly, if you are someone who has dry skin type, then you can go in with this serum first and then combine it with a cream based moisturizer. And I feel like it's very important for us to include a serum in our routines because they just penetrate deeper into the skin and they're going to improve the moisture levels as well. And that's the reason I highly recommend you guys checking this one out. Another thing that I forgot to mention about this serum is that this has the highest concentration of hyaluronic acid in it, which means that you're going to get the maximum benefits out of this particular ingredient. Because there are some serums that can give you a diluted form of hyaluronic acid which is not as concentrated, so you're not going to get the actual benefits of the ingredient. This on the other hand contains 1.5% hyaluronic acid, so it's going to make your skin really hydrated and it's going to feel very moisturized and supple as well. So I would recommend using this particular serum in your morning as well as your nighttime skincare routine. And I feel like the price point for these serums is not too high, so it's great because you get like good quality product at a very affordable price. So definitely check it out. I'm going to leave all of the links in the description box below so you can shop it for yourselves. And I really hope that you all enjoyed this and found it informative. If you all did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and let them know about this product. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Love you.